Hey there, Diabetic Warriors. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to share some tips and tricks for managing type 1 diabetes. If you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you never miss a video. Now let's dive in. Type 1 diabetes affects over 1.25 million people in the US alone. It's a chronic autoimmune disease that requires constant monitoring and management. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll share our top tips and tricks for managing type 1 diabetes. Tip 1. Monitor your blood sugar levels regularly. This is crucial for maintaining a healthy range and avoiding dangerous highs and lows. Use a glucometer to track your levels throughout the day, especially after meals and before bed. Tip 2. Adjust your insulin doses accordingly. Insulin is key to managing type 1 diabetes, but it's important to get the right amount. Work with your healthcare provider to find the perfect dosage for your individual needs. And don't forget to factor in exercise, food, and stress levels when adjusting your doses. Tip 3. Eat a balanced diet. Food plays a huge role in type 1 diabetes management. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid sugary drinks and snacks, and always read food labels to track your carb intake. Tip 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and keep your body functioning properly. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and avoid sugary drinks that can spike your blood sugar levels. Tip 5. Exercise regularly. Exercise is a great way to lower your blood sugar levels and improve your overall health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, and don't forget to monitor your levels before, during, and after exercise. Tip 6. Get support. Managing type 1 diabetes can be overwhelming, so don't be afraid to reach out for help. Join a support group, connect with other type 1 diabetes warriors online, or find a mentor who understands what you're going through. Bonus tip. Don't forget to take care of your mental health. Type 1 diabetes can be stressful, so make sure to prioritize self-care. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or yoga to help manage stress and anxiety. And that's it for today, Diabetic Warriors. Remember, managing type 1 diabetes requires a holistic approach. Monitoring, insulin, diet, hydration, exercise, support, and mental well-being.